morning, everybody. We got a Hellcat. I believe it's a red eye Challenger. Is it a red eye? Oh, it's not a red eye. What's up, Evo?
What up,
how you doing?
Good. How are
Guys,
you,
this
man?
is Evo SRT. You don't have an Instagram thing anywhere? No, he doesn't.
No.
His
Man.
Instagram is on the screen. Make sure you guys go follow him. He just picked up this brand new 2022 Challenger Hellcat. Why you didn't get the red eye?
I'm broke, man.
He just said I'm broke. Look at this guy. You're broke. So in today's video, he's gonna be installing a Legmaker cold air intake. So I'm like, why not pick up the camera? Let's go ahead and install it. Beautiful color. What's this, a smoke show?
Smoke show, yes.
Smoke show. It looks badass. And big time graphics. Hooked them up with the decals over here. What do you got?
You got them, man.
Carbon fiber. Okay.
You got the filter too.
And the filter. Alright, cool.
I do not have the cover. The one that goes on top.
They didn't give you the cover?
Nope.
Oh shit.
Yep.
Well,
$500, man. No cover.
well, we'll install it the way it is, but let's go ahead and cue the intro. We'll do it before and after of how it sounds with the blower, and then I'll take you guys through how we install it. So here we go. Alright guys, so we're gonna start off by removing the old one. I got my little drill, a 10 mil and an 8 mil. I believe they're 8 mils though. So first step, go ahead and loosen these up. And you shouldn't have to loosen that one up. Loosen this one up right here. Take this one all the way out. I believe that's it. I don't think there's anything else holding it back. It might be just a push-up. This, I haven't dealt with this. What's this over here? Okay. You gotta remove the sensor over here. Unclip that. This is interesting. I have not seen this before.
Think like you got it twisted or something?
I'm about to see right now. Let me take it off. Oops, sorry camera. Huh.
And you have the pipe for the...
Yeah, that's gonna come off. I'm curious what this is. I haven't seen this one before.
Let me see.
Do you just pull on it? Because it doesn't... There's nothing on the inside over here.
I think you gotta take it off.
No, it doesn't come off. You can't pull it off.
Shit.
It doesn't turn either. Oh, actually, yeah, it's turning right here. Let me see the new one. I want to see if it has that place for it.
You want the paper? How about here?
See, this is gonna go like that.
Yeah.
So the way that goes on though, I don't think that comes off.
You gotta warm it a little bit or no?
Huh?
You gotta warm it? Warm that one?
No, you don't. See, when you see it like this, they usually don't come off. That's why. I haven't seen that before. Cause this one has the spot for it, but it looks like just the hose goes on it. This is ready to come out though. You just gotta pull up on it. But I don't want to pull it because of the hose. What the hell?
You take it off.
Well, you can't take it up because of the hose. The hose is in the way. It's gonna come off.
It's gonna come out, then I think we can't twist it then. Yeah.
You can't twist it. Come look how it goes in from underneath. Hold on, guys. Let me figure out how to do that, and then I'll pick you guys back up.
Or you gotta like push it.
Alright, guys. So I was wrong. It does come off. So you just gotta heat it up and then squeeze it onto the new one like that. That should be enough.
Let me see. More.
Yeah, it's gonna go back just like
okay.
that. Alright, so
It's warm.
yeah, we brought it into the garage. We warmed it up over around here, and you're just gonna pull on it.
Warm it up more and let's go outside to get cold to stick, you know?
Huh. Hold it. Don't question our method, but we're using a lighter. You don't want to warm it up too much, like I said, though. Try to push it more, if you can.
I think that should be good.
Yeah.
You know?
All
I'm
right.
not gonna go too crazy, just like 200, 202.
All right, and for this, you guys didn't see us move it, but literally once I removed that, loosened that up, removed the one bolt over here, and you're just gonna pull it up and then out for the little air intake or the air duct that goes here through the headlight. But this is his stock one. You gotta remove this as well. All you gotta do for that,
Just put it in the garbage.
no, you need this.
Why?
This is your sensor. It's got this little clip right here. You gotta push up on it and turn it. But damn, it's cold. I'm trying to grab my key. Hold
So
on.
this one?
Yeah, you gotta lift up on this. Oh, I broke it. And then just pull up, just like that. Unless that one's all good to go.
Ah, got this one.
And then you just shove this back into here. يا لطيف.
هذا علي بن ابي طالب.
Oh, and that went down. Come on. It's not supposed to be like that.
Yeah, put that one first.
Alright. Put that through the hole like that. And then we're gonna try to squeeze that back in here now. That's gonna be a bitch. Oh my god.
You got some keys or something? Because I be doing this shit all day with the semi trucks, man.
What?
You know when I change the...
That's annoying. Is this for a Challenger?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah. Challenger.
We're gonna try it.
Hold it from the bottom.
That's what I'm doing. Oh, it keeps trying to come out. There you go. Alright, that's good to go.
Rub it in. You got everything. Hey. I bet you Wi-Fi. The driver.
You're gonna grab your little coupler over here, and then I believe, does it go? Okay, so I'm gonna grab, that's not the right one.
Yeah, that's not big, right?
Yeah, you grab this one like that, grab this one like that. The bigger side's gonna go over there, and then the smaller side's gonna go over there.
Want me to hold it for you?
Well, we don't need to. And then the intake, I want to see how the intake sits. Just like that.
Yeah.
Isn't it supposed to go down though?
Huh? This is gonna be open, right?
Uh-huh.
Yep. Then it's gonna start crying for real. Damn, it's really hard, man.
Alright. So I'll make sure this is in all the way and then tighten it. Tighten this side. It's not going nowhere. Then grab your filter.
If that's, I think, play it like you can like twist it to go down.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking, but it's not. It doesn't have that. What's going on here now? What makes this so much worse is we're doing this in the cold. So everything's kind of like stuck and rigid. Are you serious right now?
Just like put a little bit and twist it.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Do not get Legmaker, man.
This is a pain in the ass.
You almost got.
Damn, bro, what the fuck?
Yeah, just try from the bottom.
No, hold on. Let him get his turn in.
Something to like, you know, put it up.
Let me grab my pick. Hold on. Let's try using this. There you go. You got it? It's on all the way?
فلت عير بأمك.
خلاص كده. No, yeah, do it from the bottom again.
That's good shit, you know.
I'll fill it again.
Okay. Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah, man, finally.
There you go. Alright. Where's the fucking...
Where's that bitch?
There you go. That's an 8.
Where's that bitch? Should be good.
This, I'm gonna put this back here since we're not using it. Then you're not gonna use this.
Garbage?
Oh, just put it with the other one. I'm gonna put this back here.
In the trunk.
Look at this guy. Alright, let's go.
Fun, man.
Yeah. I'm gonna mount the GoPro. Look at here. Still stock exhaust. But I'm gonna go ahead, mount the GoPro, and we're gonna go for a drive. I'm driving. Oh, okay, say less. Got the GoPro set up over here. Let's go ahead then. You was letting me get the wheel?
17 out.
What the hell? I gotta move your seat, bro. I'm short. So we in the Hellcat 717. So let's go ahead, I guess. I'm driving. Bismillah. Why do you have traction off? What?
Sports, bro.
He put traction off. He's trying to kill us in 17-degree weather. Alright. Not a kid. Oh, man.
You know what you're doing, man? It's a boat.
Man, it is a boat. Wow, that sounds good. What do you think? He's smiling. He's smiling. Hey, this shit goated. Alhamdulillah. Oh, she whining. She's whining. Alright then, well, let's enjoy this drive, and I'll put the GoPro video in this. Here we go. Guys, I just took my GoPro off the car. I don't think it recorded any of that, but we'll see. Evo's out of here. I hope he does some dumb shit. Bro, for stock exhaust, that sounds so good. Is he turning around? He is. God damn. You think we can hear it from here? Alright, well, I hope the GoPro recorded that. I swear to God, if it didn't, I'm gonna be so mad, because that shit always happens. But I'm gonna go ahead, try to edit this video out. It might be a little small video for you guys, but I hope you guys did enjoy. I'm trying to film something for you guys because my car's in the garage, as you guys probably saw. I'm just waiting for something to come back so I can get back and tune it and finish and start driving it again. So I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, make sure you guys go ahead, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, comment something down below, keep the algorithm going. Make sure you guys go follow Evo on Instagram, hit up the homeboy, and we'll see you guys in the next one. It's been your boy Hemi Life. Peace.